Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Hania, e-commerce Wali, a student at Hania School and an academy Bechet. So today I'm going to present my review on the direct talk of the first 20 hours how to learn anything. The main idea of this talk is simple. We do not need years of practice to make meaningful progress in a new skill. With around 20 hours of focused practice, we can become reasonably good at something new. The speaker explains that many people avoid learning because they think it will take too much time. We may want to learn a language, play an instrument, learn coding, or develop a new hobby, but the thought of becoming an expert can feel overwhelming. One of the most important lessons is to break a skill into smaller parts. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, we should focus on the most important things first. This makes learning easier and less stressful. He also encouraged us to practice instead of only collecting information. Watching tutorials and reading books are useful, but real improvement comes when we actually apply what we learn. Mistakes are natural and necessary part of the process. Another important point is to remove distractions. Keeping our phone away and creating a comfortable learning environment can make it easier to stay focused and consistent. The idea of 20 hours is especially motivating. If we divide 20 hours into small daily sessions, learning becomes much more manageable. Instead of saying, I will learn this someday, we can set a clear goal and start today. However, the first 20-hour idea does not mean we become an expert in everything within 20 hours. Complex skills require much more time. The real message is that 20 hours focus can take us from a complete beginner to a useful level of ability. Overall, I found this talk very practical and motivating. Its biggest lesson is that we should stop waiting for the perfect time and simply start. This reminds us we don't have to master everything today. We just need to take the first 20 hours and keep practicing. If there is something you have always wanted to learn today, and give it your first 20 hours. Thank you.